The Neffco LugDawg is a tractor-trailer wheel theft prevention device. It's really the only one on the market. It was developed for a truck dealership that was having wheel theft problems. It's very simple. I'll show you how to install it. There's 3 configurations. We'll start with the one that was developed for the truck dealership. You just secure the lock housing on the portion of the stud that sticks out from the actual lug nut. You'll need a 3/4 driver. And you should torque it according to our instructions. Once it's secured, you install the barrel lock into the inner sleeve. Notice you cannot unscrew the housing once it's tightened onto the lug nut. And that's really the premise of it. It prevents someone from having access to the lug nut. They can't get a wrench on there, therefore they can't remove the nuts and steal the wheel. We do have this cover to protect it from the weather. Or if you're an owner-operator that wants to protect your wheels, say on the rear, we would recommend a counterweight. So we have this counterweight that you can purchase, and it would go directly opposite of the lock unit. And again, you should torque it according to our instructions. We also have a version for the owner-operator that would like the wheel to look good. This housing will accept a chrome cap. Gives you the same protection, it just works a little differently or looks a little differently. You install it the same by screwing it onto the extended portion of the stud that's above the lug nut. Again, you'll need a hex driver. And you should torque it according to our instructions. Once tight, install the lock. And that prohibits access to the hex for the inner sleeve. We have a short chrome cap that will cover this. And then opposite, you should install the counterweight. This would come in the set that you purchase. And it should go directly across from the lock unit. This takes a different hex to lock it on. You should torque it again to the instructions. It doesn't take a lock. You notice it's a little bulkier, and that's to get the weight correct so that it balances with this. Again, this would accept the chrome cap. And then we provide you with taller caps for the adjacent lug nuts. And there's enough to go all the way around.